Hello everyone, I welcome you all on behalf of Ilmo Irfan Technologies to this demonstration of our shopping cart system. This system allows users to view available items, add or remove items, view cart contents, calculate the total price, and complete the checkout process with ease. Each feature is designed to make your shopping experience as smooth as possible. To get started, you'll first want to see the items available for purchase. To do this, select Option 1, Display Available Items from the menu. The system will present you with a list of items categorized into grocery, clothing, and electronics, along with their prices, making it easier for you to choose what you want. Next, if you want to add items to your cart, select Option 2, Add Items to Cart from the menu. You will then be asked to enter the name of the item you wish to add and specify its quantity. For example, I'll add bread with a quantity of 2. The system will then ask, do you want to add another item to your cart? Yes or no. If you enter yes, you can proceed to add additional items, such as a denim jacket with a quantity of 1. If you prefer not to add any more items, you can simply enter no, and the system will return to the main menu. If you decide to change your mind or need to adjust the quantities of items in your cart, you can easily do so by selecting Option 3, Remove Items from Cart. Enter the item name and specify the quantity you want to remove. For example, if you want to remove 1 bread from the cart, enter bread and specify the quantity as 1. The system will update the cart to reflect these changes. If you don't want to remove any more items and prefer to return to the main menu, enter no. After this, you might want to see what's in your cart. To check this, select Option 4, View Cart from the menu. The system will display all the items you've added, showing their quantities and individual prices. For example, you should see bread, X1 priced at $2.50, and denim jacket, X1 priced at $2,300. Now, to determine the total cost of all items in your cart, select Option 5, Calculate Total Price from the menu. The system will sum up the prices of all items in your cart to provide you with the total amount due. In this case, the total price will be $25.50. Finally, when you're ready to complete your purchase, select Option 6, Checkout from the menu. The system will present you with a summary of your cart, including the names, quantities, and total price of the items. You'll then be asked to confirm your purchase. To confirm, enter yes. The system will then finalize your transaction, clear your cart, and complete your shopping session. To summarize, our shopping cart system is designed to offer a quick, efficient, and user-friendly shopping experience. It simplifies item management, ensures accurate price calculations, and offers an effortless checkout process. With that, I conclude my demo of this shopping cart system. Thank you for your time and patience.